silver bullet, the magic to solve the traffic problem now. In the 6 years it's given to the president, and maybe I would take about a year or two to improve one MRT, LRT, and build another, suggested by Mangupiaco, by Madam Tiago. We have to build new railways. The fastest and well, maybe along Pasig River, kasi hindi ka na magbibili ng road right of way. But just the same, I have to improve the present situation. So I will ask LRT and MRT to add more trains. And it should be like every 5 minutes na mayroong, so that we can hold people and also limit, I said, the streets, so the motor vehicles. We are pumping in 300+ thousand motor vehicles every month. Yung papasok lahat yan sa ating highway, sa ating EDSA. Saan natin ilagay yan? And we cannot stop them, except that we have to improve the mass transit of people. Then try to explain that one by one, those dilapidated and earlier models must be out of EDSA. That's the only solution that can. Nothing else would really solve the problem. It's the reality.